welcome back to She's in Her Apron.
Ready to go, let's go.
Oh, I need to find an apron. Alright. Hello. So, we have started the process of moving this weekend. So exciting slash not. It's just a lot of work to move. So, if you are moving too, I know a lot of you are because you've messaged me, you need a packing tip video, click the eye in the sky or the link below. So yes, a lot of you didn't hear the news on the Sam's Club video. It's where I announced it. Again, eye in the sky or down below, the link. We are moving. And yes, we just moved here a year ago. We really don't care for this neighborhood. This house is beautiful. I mean, I have no complaints about this house. This house is stunning. But the neighborhood, no. So, we were offered by Derek's parents to take over their kind of like in-law apartment. It's called like the mother-in-law apartment, but the apartment that they have in their basement. Separate entrance, all of that's beautiful. And they offered it to us, and right when we had about a couple of months left of our contract here, we only signed a year lease here, but we were planning on spending 3 years here. That was our time plan for the goals and things that our family has set, which you guys don't know about, which we're not going to talk about. And so but we were just like, meh. And then, so our in-laws offered us their apartment, and we took it. And in fact, before our in-laws offered it to us, we actually told our landlords that we would sign another year, even though we were very hesitant about it. So it worked out good, and we just called them back and said we wouldn't be renewing. And we're moving into the apartment. Our in-laws apartment. We're really excited about it. The kids are super psyched about it. And we're going to continue the plan that we had here. And we're going to continue the plan that we had set when we sold our home and moved here. We're going to continue that plan there. But the exciting part about it is financially, there's more money to put towards our plan. So we're excited. We're so excited. So now we could really just take our time and look and decide where we want our future home to be. And we're so excited. We're so excited. Our movers come Saturday, so in 7 days. And we are having them pretty much move all the big furniture and appliances. We are slowly moving into the apartment right now. We started last night. We moved over some bathroom bins that I had. Let me share with you. I did share it on the packing video, but I used the containers that I got from Costco. So let me show you that clip. So these bins here I grabbed at Costco. And I believe 6 came together in a pack. And they're super durable. So what I did was I went through all our toiletries, have all the women's sanitary stuff here, all dental here, all our bath needs there. This is all of Derek's stuff, so razors and things like that. Shampoos, conditioners, all of our sample stuff, lotions. Yeah, and you can see I'm using some other Dollar Tree bins and things like that. So this came from Costco. It was on sale, super great deal. So I'm using these to transfer all our bathroom things to the new home. And I'm also going to be doing this with a lot of our laundry room things to help store our cleaning cloths and all of that. So this is coming in handy. They have snap lids. Super, super nice. Those are great. Those work out great. And I just slid them under the sink in the new bathroom. And when I go to organize and want to use them in a way, I can. They're all there. Beautiful. Everything together. It's nice. Pack up my cookbooks yesterday and brought them over there. There's so much storage in this apartment. It's unreal. Like, I was kind of worried there wouldn't be enough storage, but there is a lot of storage. So my cookbooks, have an area, so I worked on that last night. So yeah, so today we're just lightly packing. I already have my closet all packed up. Let me show you. All right, here's my side of the closet. It's all done. These bins I got off of Amazon, and I just need to find tags that I want to hang here, so they'll hang. So all my clothes are ready to go and bring and just put in the closet. This big bag is filled with bags and purses, and then I'll just transport this stuff here. Derek is still going through his stuff. I would do it for him, but I don't know, like, he's got bins like this. He's gonna do this too, so he'll do this tomorrow, and then we'll transfer our closet over. He said he's gone through all his clothes, so this is everything he's keeping, but I'm gonna let him pack it up and organize it the way he wants to. I am ready to go. Like, I am ready to go. Let's go. So probably we'll transfer some clothes today. Same with the kids. We had them pack up all their clothes, and then, like I said in that tip video for packing, they have pretty much like an overnight bag, but more than an overnight. They have like 7 days worth of clothes, because the last thing you want to do is what I'm doing right now in doing laundry. This is the last of the clothes, and then these will get packed up and brought over. It's just a pain. Clothes and dishes will be your lot in life when you're trying to move. So right now, I'm going to be putting the last load in the dishwasher, and then all those cups are going to be packed up, and we have paper cups. You just want to eliminate dishes and laundry when you're in the moving process, because you'll feel like you're a mouse on a wheel. You're just spinning and spinning and spinning. It's just, yeah. So whenever we start a move, it's clothes and dishes. A couple of weeks ago, I did make some freezer meals. I did some lasagnas and I think some chicken, and I think I recorded that for you. So let me share with you what I have done to help prepare us for the move with some meals. We've been having mainly freezer meals, and it's been fantastic, and just using up everything that's in our refrigerator and cupboards. So let me share with you what I've already prepared to help us for this week. First, I'm going to be making pesto ranch chicken. It's a huge hit. First, you're going to need about a packet of the ranch dressing mix. If you don't have it like I do, you could use 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I'm using pesto that I grabbed from Sam's Club. It's really good. The one from Costco is delicious too. Then you'll need a ½ cup of chicken broth, and just mix that all together and pour it over your chicken. Gonna get the air out of that, make it tight and zipped up, and lay it down in my freezer. This cooks in your slow cooker like 3 to 4 hours on high, maybe 6 hours on low. Super easy, super yummy. This is really good with mixed vegetables, asparagus, artichokes. I love the broccoli medley with broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. And we've had it with rice and mashed potatoes, but I really love it with mashed potatoes. Okay, the next freezer meal that I am making is teriyaki chicken. Grab this marinade. It's just honey teriyaki. Look good. It's from Masterpiece, and I thought, let's do it. So I'm just labeling my bag. Always label my bags. Even though I know I'm going to be eating this food during the move, what if I don't? And then I'll go to the freezer later and be like, what is this? So, all right, put my bag in my bowl. I'm adding my chicken. So I'm using drumsticks, chicken drumsticks, and I'm just gonna pour that bad boy all over that chicken. And again, seal up the bag, lay it flat in my freezer. This I could take out and is basically marinating in there. I could throw it in my slow cooker or use it on the grill, and more than likely I'll use it on the grill. Now, all these meals that I'm showing you, I made seriously weeks ago. Yeah, probably about 2 to almost 3 weeks ago I made these in preparation for the move. Next, I'm making lasagna. I do have a full video on freezing lasagna and cooking lasagna in your slow cooker. Super helpful. So I'm using just regular lasagna noodles, not oven ready. Just use the regular kind. It works out great. I'm not even going to boil these. Not one bit. So I've got ricotta cheese, I have mozzarella cheese, and I have Parmesan cheese, and we're going to use eggs, and of course your favorite sauce. Just going to mix up all my cheeses and eggs together. Again, I pretty much eyeball this. I don't have measurements at all. But I will say that I do use these big, I think they're 32 ounces of ricotta cheese for each lasagna. So I'm making 2, and I just like it really, really cheesy, so I'm using 2 32 ounces of ricotta cheese. And of course I gotta have the parsley to put in there as well. And then I'm just going to mix this and then start assembling my lasagna. And again, not cooking the noodles, because when you put this in the freezer, it's, you know, gonna get moist from all that moisture. And then when you throw it in the oven, it's gonna cook up, create that steam, and it works beautifully. Now, I preheat my oven 450 degrees, and I pop it in when it's fully frozen, and it probably cooks for about 2.5 hours. So just throw it in way before the time of dinner. If you want to thaw it out, you could totally thaw it out and then put it in to make it quicker for you. So if you have work the next day, take it out, put it in your refrigerator, let it thaw. It'll probably still be frozen when you want to cook it the next night, and it takes about an hour to cook. But I just throw mine in the oven and let it go for 2.5 hours, and it comes out perfect. Perfect. And we just had one of these lasagnas, like I said, the other night. And I had an extra lasagna in my freezer, so I still have 2 available during the move. So we'll probably have one tomorrow, and then one closer to the move, probably the day of the move. I'll just plop that into the oven, and we'll have lasagna. When we're all done with the move, we can enjoy dinner. Super, super handy. We've already had one of the lasagnas, and then I had a third lasagna that I already had in my freezer. And then, of course, utilizing our slow cooker and our grill. So we'll have all week to slowly move in, and then the movers will come with the big stuff. But the thing is tomorrow the carpet cleaners are coming to wash the carpet at the apartment. And so we can't have anything on the floors mainly, you know, but I could still put stuff in the closets and everything. And then starting maybe Tuesday night, we could put stuff on the floor, see how fast the carpet dries. And yeah, and then we can bring boxes in and stuff like that in the boys' room and Shaylee's room and stuff, and put boxes in their room. So we'll probably end up bringing the majority of the boxes over ourselves this week, and the movers got the big stuff. So not too shabby. I've made 3 donation runs to the DI. I made one last week. You have to make an appointment to drop off things, and so every week I just make an appointment for each week. And I always have stuff that I could donate, and so I need to get on today and make a donation appointment for this week. I got rid of a lot of stuff on our last move, and then I've been slowly decluttering in here too. But with this move, like, I haven't thought about a lot of stuff in a year, and I've said bye-bye, and I'm going to be doing more bye-bye today, because I'm hoping today I could go through my kitchen stuff after this load in the dishwasher and maybe say goodbye to some things. Honestly, the biggest thing for me to say goodbye to is kitchen gadgets and like plates and bowls and extra casserole dishes and stuff like that, because I just love cooking ware, and that's a hard one for me. That's a hard one. So it is a 3-bedroom apartment, and the boys are sharing, and they have a really big room, a very big room. So we're really glad that they're gonna have a lot of space. And then Shaylee has her own room, of course. So yeah. The Hughes family is in a crazy transition, but we're so excited about it. We're just excited. It's a weird year anyway, like seriously. Oh my gosh. We didn't think we would be moving during a pandemic, but we are. Didn't think we would have a wedding during a pandemic either. But we're excited and we're happy, and we're just so thankful for how sweet and generous Derek's parents are.